statistics. 24, 44, 74. Wearing a yellow, inspired by Gloria Hino. Good evening, everybody. First of all, and once and for all, I'm Jeanette. Tayo! Thank you, Dawn. Okay, vital statistics of 36, 26, 16.
Good evening, I'm Anita Muscado.
Virgin.
Virgin.
Contestant number 3. Vital statistics. 30, 25, 20. Wearing a glittering gown.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Juanita Ramos, 58 years old, running for President of the Philippines.
Contestant number 4. We have vital statistics of 30, 20. Wearing a red glittering gown.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Erlinda Isimentisa. Mabuhay!
Mabukay!
Contestant number 5. With the vital statistics of 20, 18, 22. Wearing a black with gold glitters.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening sa inyo. I am Rina Herolo, representing of Poro Talisay Sapra. Mabuhay!
Contestant number 6. With the vital statistics of 27, 30, 29. Wearing a golden yellow gown.
Smile, Maray, smile. Mo na yung smile.
Ay, di ka lang. May gabi inyong tanan.
Isan.
Ako si Telma Daray.
Asawa.
From Unit 4, Poro Talisay Sapra Compound. Tagum City.
Contestant number 7. With the vital statistics of 30, 27, 26. May gabi fiesta ng Marie. Ako si Lenora ng studio.
Thank you. Thank you.
Contestant number 8.
Ay, parang nga nakabukas. Parang nga mother. Nakabukas.
Ang nagaraang gina ng puro Talisay Sakra. Never mind the year. 1950s.
Ay, mga Candelaria sa Prahalem. Sa
Candy, candy. Yay! Candy.
Contestant
Si Candy yan.
number 9. Go. Mary, Abartas ka kasing oh, 36, 34, 30. Wearing red and black long gown.
Gabi sa tanan.
Suga, oy.
Ako dahil si Miss Philippines. Miss Belinda na ba? Sikit ako edad, pero karong gabi wala pindasan ako ng 5. First time in my life.
Hey.
Let's save the final look with our lovely Jonah. Contestant number 2. Nini.
Iba-iba, di ang lubot. Okay. Maring. Snake walk, snake walk.
Contestant number 3.
Snake walk.
Marinita.
Maring. Crocodile walk. Snake walk.
Contestant number 4. Marinita.
Kangaroo walk, Maring. Kangaroo walk.
Contestant number 5. Marinita.
Ostrich walk. Yan na, pagbukas.
Contestant number 6. Marinita.
Ah, Murat Palma, fishing gear walk.
Pipinyana.
Hi, Maring. Kita ikut ikut, Maring.
Contestant number 7. Marinita. Contestant number 8. Marinita. Virgin. Purity. White is beauty. And black is Satarana. Contestant number 8. Marinus.
Contestant number 1. Yan. Napakaganda ng attire ng ating contestant ngayon. Okay, and now. Ayan. Okay, and now let us welcome contestant number 2. Purple is the color of the night. Napaka-sexy naman. Ayan. Yan talaga. Ayan. And now let us welcome contestant ngayon at wearing super high heels. Ayan, napakaganda. Okay, and now let us welcome contestant number 6. Wow! Trending cut sa shoulder. Ayan. Pose at a virgin. Ayan. Napaganda. And now let us welcome contestant number 7. Ayan. Classic silver ang color ng ating contestant ngayon. Thank you so much. And now let us welcome contestant number 8. Ayan. Parang Hawaiian spin-off lamang. Napaganda talaga. Ayan. Okay. May hangin effect. Okay. And now let us welcome contestant number 9. Ayan. Lace. Lace is very sexy ngayon. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Thank you so much. And now let us welcome contestant number 10. Diba? Flora, Christmas poinsettia at red ang color ng ating contestant ngayon. Okay, and now, last but definitely not the least, let's welcome contestant number 11. Ayan, pinag-hipster 80s style. Napaganda. Ayan. At ito ang ating look ng ating mga contestants ngayon for our casual attire, okay? Can you please move forward and then mag-turn around kayo para makita natin na, ayan, turn around. Ayan. Napakaganda. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan. Last look po para sa ating mga judges ngayon. Ang napakaganda natin mga kunmare at mga dalaga from their mid-20s. Very virgin talaga. And now let's welcome contestant number 9. Ayan. Oh, geez. Putot, lahot. Ayan. Lubot, lahot. Ayan. Napakaganda. Yes. Ayan. Okay, let's have our final look. Contestant ngayon. Final look. Final look, yes. Pasok kayo sa iba. Ayan. Contestant number 1. Ayan. Okay. Oh, so okay, next. Contestant number 2. Ayan, very modern. Okay, thank you so much. Contestant number 3. Ayan. Okay, and now contestant number 4. Okay. Yes. Next contestant number 5. Contestant number 6. And contestant number 9. And pose for picture taking. Ayan. Pose po tayo. Equal ang lumot. Okay, ayan. Okay, ayan. Talikod lang ang tanan. Talikod tanan. Pinay-sexy. Lubot. 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 Ayan. Picture. Karon kay nakakaway ang karmo. Kinsa ang iyong kabayuon karong gabi una.
Ang among mga hiya. Kabayo. Kabayo.
Mag-ilis na, me?